Hi everybody, thanks for joining me on my Finally Friday video series. This is Jill Blanchette with Green Thumb Stampers. And this week I'm going to show you a little bit about how you can bring color to the black and white papers and just jazz up your project a little bit with no effort at all. So hang on and let me get you going. Today I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. If you have a workshop, you can pick this Pattern Party Designer Series paper in the back of the catalog under the host items as one of your items that you can purchase. And it's got a whole lot of designs in it. But if you look, the back side, all of the designs are black and white. Now, that's what I'm going to show you. If you purchased this with your hostess dollars, you have got a whole world ahead of you with this paper. So I'm going to show you something you can do with your black and white paper. Now, there's a bunch of other ideas. Maybe I'll do another video another time to show you about coloring them and stuff, but I just have this random little piece of polka dot paper. Grab your blending brush, grab whatever color ink you want, and just start blending away. You can use different color, like more than one color of ink, but now you are blending this ink color, which I have the the polished pink here. You can do it as dark, as light, as much as you want, all over, variegate them, or gradient them, whatever you want to do. But you see how quick and easy that was? Now I've turned that black and white polka dot paper into whatever color my project is going to use. So again, a quick tip, something that you can do to shake up an easy way. Everybody's got the ink and some blending tool, whether it be a brush, a sponge, whatever you've got. Rub it across there and change the look of your paper to match whatever project you're working on. Alright, that was it. I know it's simple and it takes half a second to do it, but it's a great way to use up some of your designer papers or just add a whole new twist to a background. So change it up and give it a try. Here's what I made with my background paper. I just got to back up a little bit and show you it does open up, but this is the card that I made just by coloring that black and white. I've given that a whole new look along the edge there. So you guys have a great weekend. I will be back again. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Bye-bye.